Zombie. I know it's been a while since I posted any fitness, health or beauty, makeup type content, and I really wanted to get back into it. So I was lucky enough to partner up with FabFitFun. It is a seasonal subscription box, which means it only comes out 4 times per year. This is the summer box, I guess, that they're releasing soon. I've never gotten it before, but looking into it, it's a box with full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness products. So you get over $200 worth of stuff for $49. You can actually get $10 off with my code TZU, and that's for TheZombiUnicorn, obviously. So yeah, this has full-size stuff, and it introduces you to new brands and products you might not otherwise discover on your own, as well as you can save a bunch of money on those products in the first place, because they bundle them all up and give you a special discounted price. But yeah, let's open this up. I've never gotten one. This is my first time. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys all what's in here, and then I'm going to be trying some of the products and telling you how I feel about them personally. So let's get right into it. So, oh cool, so it's, here's like the summer edition. So here's the summer edition magazine that they have in here. It's got probably a lot of information in here about all the products and whatnot. And some little articles and little columns about meal prep, exercises, memories, and little stories. And then different other products and stuff. This is really cool. Oh, that's so cute. They got a little sticker. It says, share to win, #FabFitFun. Closing this all up, so I'm gonna tear it open. So we have from Pier 1 Imports here. Let's see. Oh my god, I love this! It's just like a little dish to put, you know, your jewelry and whatnot in. I mean, I guess you could use it as a dish if you wanted. This is so funny and perfect for me because I actually have these little coasters that are marble, almost the same, and that's super cute. It definitely is something I'm gonna use. Ah, I love little plates. Don't even bother. We have here Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Ooh, exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya and microcrystals and aloe. It smells very fresh. It smells really good. I'm gonna have to try this. I'm gonna wash my face and show you guys on camera later. The next item in here is actually something that I do have, I think, but I haven't used it yet or tried it yet. This is the Tartist Pro To Go palette. Oh, these are such pretty colors too. I haven't used this one. Actually, I don't think I have this specific one yet. I have some other Pro Glow palettes. Their Pro products are super awesome. All of their stuff's super awesome. One of the best things about it is that their makeup smells like chocolate. Up next, we have Sex Kitten Liquid Liner from Tarte as well. I don't have this one. I use their Man-Eater eyeliner, but this one I do not. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's got the little kitty on the top. Oh my god, get out of here. I already love their oh my god. This is, look at that. I just did that freehand. I mean, I know it's not anything special, but it's pretty wicked cool. It's pretty good. I like it. It has like a little area on it to hold it better, like a pencil. The other eyeliners that I've had don't do that. They don't have that. All right, so the next product is Kula Classic Face Sport Classic Sunscreen, SPF 50, TSA approved size, cruelty-free, organic sun care, moisturizer and hydrate. So it's a moisturizer as well. I'm really bad about wearing sunscreen, mostly because I'm Cuban and I just get really, really dark, and I've had like one sunburn my entire life. Not even a bad one, just like the lightest touch of pink, and I'm just one of those people who doesn't burn, so, oh my god, it feels so good. It doesn't feel greasy at all. That's what I hate. That's why I never really liked wearing sunscreen. It's always greasy. This just feels like face lotion. This is great. And it smells so good. Good pick, I like it. All right, next product we have here is, ooh, Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. I was gonna say with chocolate, I wish. I'd be eating this all day. Actually, I'm about to run out of my body scrub, so this is perfect. Give this a shot. Let me see what this smells like. It's always about smell. Whoa, that is something else. Whoa, it smells insane. It looks like really dark and spooky in there and like kind of brown, but it's like, smells like clean, and it smells, oh, it smells so good. Next product we have here is Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray Multi-phasic shielding complex. The ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. I do use, so because of my hair color, I do use a lot of protectant spray. I use it before I put heat on my hair, and I use a different spray before I go out in the sun. It's like a UV spray. I could probably use this to replace both of the different sprays that I use. Smells good. Can't wait to try this out and see how I like it. I got a couple more items here in the box, and this one is something I've seen before, but I never knew what it was called, and I've been interested in it, so this is great because now I can try it out. Foreo Luna Fofo. What a name. Foreo Luna Fofo. And it is a Smart Beauty Coach facial cleansing brush. So it's like I think it's like a little, it's got like rubber, it's got like thicker ones up here and then thinner ones that are really soft and rubbery down here. Okay, yeah, so it's a vibrating face brush to help you with cleaning your face. Oh my god, and it's got a little camera on the back that lights up. So it looks like step one is to put your facial cleanser on, wet it, start cleaning, and I guess that you can use the app with it. There's an app that goes along with this, and then you rinse. That's something that took me a long time to care about and get into a routine about, is like washing your face and skincare and cleansing and putting on your lotions and stuff like that. So this tool is probably great for that. I'm gonna give this a shot, probably along with the other products I have got for the face. The last product in this box for me is a beautiful, adorable makeup tote. And I love this because I'm always running out of space for all my makeup. So it's just like the one I have, but it's actually cute. The one I have is just plain black. And I love it. I bet you it has a thing for brushes up here. Oh my gosh. This is like your classic makeup tote. It's got your brushes thing, your little protector. Oh my, it's so cute that it has the pattern on it. I'm gonna definitely put a lot of my new makeup in here. So I'm excited about that. Good stuff.
Good morning. So I'm gonna try a couple of the products that were in the box. I just woke up. I didn't get the makeup off quite well last night, so I am gonna try the Foreo. The only thing that I can't do is basically, this is supposed to be paired up with an app on your phone. However, this product is so new that I don't even have the availability to get the app yet. So I'm just gonna wash my face with it, but it looks like these sensors are used to test your skin hydration and different levels of stuff and help you kind of, you know, work on your skincare routine a little better. But I'm just gonna use it to wash today. And then I'm gonna try the enzymatic face rejuvenator exfoliating cleanser as well. I did use a little bit of this spray before straightening my hair last night. It's actually really soft and it helped protect a little bit against the heat. And I like it, it's really good. Last night I did wear the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. I did wipe it off a little bit with a makeup wipe before going to bed, but not well enough. So let's give this other products a try. I like the vibration, it's good. It kind of stops every now and again too. I guess it's like, I bet you once it has the app, it's telling you like, okay, switch parts of your face or something. Maybe that's what the pauses are for. I'm not gonna use this on my eyes because obviously that might be a little dangerous, but also because I have eyelash extensions on, so I don't wanna rip them out or anything. Feels good, it feels like I'm getting a better exfoliation than I usually do. Just rinsing it off. Nice and clean already almost. So this brightening cleanser, exfoliating cleanser from Vasanti is pretty good. It makes my skin already look like more buffed and smooth. And the Foreo was really quick and easy to like scrub my face down instead of just using my hands. Or I often use one of these little scrubbing rubber pads for my face with cleanser, but because that one's vibrating, I felt like it had much more of a quicker kind of, like the same thing, but I'm not using it as like, yeah, scrub. Like, I liked it a lot. Anyways, guys, that was me trying the products. I really like them, so I'm really interested in this box. If you guys are interested in the box, be sure to use my code TZU for $10 off. And thanks again to FabFitFun for collabing with me on this video. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.
I've been dreaming dreams of the past. Nothing was as it seemed. I knew that it wouldn't last. Wasn't